Digitalization is the hot topic, but what is it really we want to achieve with it? Why should we even digitalize? It is becoming a buzzword that people believe that they must do without really thinking about why they should do it. The challenge is that there is no clear definition of digitalization. If I've created a set of folders on a shared network drive that then is used to manage my documents, is that digitalization? Or is digitalization that I've put in an advanced content management solution for all my documentation, and only if I've done that, then I've digitalized? One of our recommendations to a lot of companies are, please understand where you are today. What are your current challenges? Because you shouldn't digitalize for the sake of digitalizing. You should do it in order to solve real business problems that are delivering business benefits to you as a company. Too often we see companies that are rushing into selecting the new shiny tool, but it isn't the tool that's going to solve the problem. So please take your time, understand your challenges of today, of tomorrow, understand the strategy of your company, where you're going to be in 2 or 3 years' time, and based on those aspects, then you can start defining what the solutions are. So make sure to go through and think about business first, the challenges, then go to the tools, and make sure to do a proper selection process for the tools as well.